Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. Here the given question is find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using quadratic formula. Now the given equation is x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So let me write down the question what it has given. It is being given like x to the power 2 plus 4x, x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation that they have given. Now guys, they have asked another thing like when we are going to use quadratic formula, and we should see if the equation exists, then only we are going to find the equation, otherwise we cannot find the quadratic equation. If it doesn't exist, then there is no chance of finding the roots. Now here x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is what being given in the question. Now let us see, and we are going to use the quadratic formula. So let us see, or let me tell you what is the quadratic formula here, and hope guys by this time you very well know what is quadratic formula, but still let me write it down, the quadratic formula here. Quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is denoted by, or it is written as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So guys, this is what we call as a quadratic formula, and using this formula we can find out the two values of x. Like one value of x will be x is equal to minus b plus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other value will be x is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac. That means minus b plus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other one will be minus b minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us focus on the given quadratic equation. What they have given, the given quadratic equation is x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here our a is, the coefficient of x square is 1, so here a is 1, the coefficient of b is 4, 4x is 4, or I can say x is 4. Similarly, and the constant value c is equal to 5. So these are the three things we can write from the given equation. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 5. Now let us first of all find what is b square minus 4ac. So b square is nothing but I can write 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 into b into c is 5. Now let us solve this one. We can write b square minus 4ac is equal to 16 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we are getting that is equal to minus 4. So we are getting b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4. Guys, just this is one of the important thing that we need to focus here. We are getting b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4. Guys, as we already told, if b square minus 4ac is minus 4, then we can say that for this particular equation no real roots will exist, because if b square minus 4ac, that means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we do not have any real roots for this quadratic equation. So what we can write here is that we can say that since the square of, so what we are going to write is since the square of a real number, since the square of a real number cannot be negative, since the square of a real number cannot be negative, then b square minus 4ac, root over of b square minus 4ac will not have will not have any real values. Any real values. So there are no real roots. So there are no real roots exists particularly for this quadratic equation. Hope guys you understood this, because we got b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4, and ultimately we are going to consider b square minus root over of b square minus 4ac. So in this we cannot find the square of a negative value. For that reason we can say that since the square of a real number cannot be negative, then b square minus 4ac will not have any real values. So there are no real root exists. Hope guys you understood this. Now the thing is that always for any of the quadratic equation we should always do a check like this. If b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4, that means, or I can, in other words I can say b square minus 4ac, if it should always be greater than equal to 0. If it is less than 0, then there is no chance of finding any real roots. We should stop there, and we can directly say in one word, if as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there do not exist any real roots of x. Hope guys you understood this process of this calculation, but still if you have any questions or any doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.